cage that unlocks at the county line. Is it home or is it prison? Won't know till the last goodbye. Mary's getting married, Lacey's having babies, Emma's out there getting high. And half the population thinks high school graduation's the beginning of the end of your life.